Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. I'm super proud to say our robot is finally done. I made a video about it yesterday, but I have now funded the account and we are going to start up my own robot inside Binbot Pro. If you just go to Binbot Pro just with a regular link, you will not see my robot. This robot is just for my users. So only if you use my link, first you can get my robot, that is just amazing. I have worked so long time on it. And number two, you can deposit only $100 compared with the normal $250. So for my users, it's $100 only to enter. Plus, of course, you can use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. This robot is very intelligent. That's why I call it also artificial robot. So Alpha 1 artificial bot is basically the name. You will just love it. And I will prove it in this video. I will now run it live so you also can see how the robot perform, and you will be amazed how good entries this robot will make. So let's start up the robot. So also you want to run it, and also make sure you push that link you see up now in the right corner. You can then sign up directly to the robot or just do it below the video. So let's start up the robot. just like that. Did you see this nice entry my robot did make? So, how much did we make in this video? $720 in matter of 7 minutes. So, if you want this robot only works with my link. If you go into Binbot Pro with just a normal link, you will not get my robot, and you will not get the chance to deposit only $100. So if you want, number one, my robot, that is just amazing, and if you want to deposit only $100 instead of $250, use my link below the video right now, and also use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. So what are you waiting for? I see you there.